What is the fundamental purpose of ethical standards for data analysis? Why are ethical guidelines crucial in data analysis? What is the primary function of the framework for data governance? How does governing data contribute to organizational efficiency? Which principle forms the foundation of data governance? What do data privacy and security measures aim to prevent? How do ethical standards benefit projects involving data analysis? What is the primary objective of implementing data privacy and security measures? How do ethical guidelines contribute to the success of data analysis projects? What is the primary goal of ethical standards in data analysis?